Hello, Anna. Thank you for your time. I have visited EMD Retail's website, and I'd like to know more about how to install Service Package 1 for monitoring the temperature and the operation of the coolers and freezers in my stores.
Hello, Peter. Great to hear. Service Package 1 is a turnkey solution that is easy to install. It consists of 3 simple components: a smart plug intended for a standard Schuko outlet, a wireless temperature sensor, and a QR code.
That sounds simple.
Yes, it is. What takes some minutes is taking the 7 pictures required for documentation.
Okay, could you walk me through the installation process?
Absolutely. First, you need to place the provided QR code sticker near the refrigeration unit's temperature controller. Then, you scan the QR code with a smartphone or tablet. You will then get access to an online interface where you can begin the digital documentation. All you need to do is follow the menu by pressing the appropriate button. This will turn on the camera of the smartphone, and then you can take the required picture. The documentation involves taking pictures of the refrigeration unit, the controller, the type plate of the unit, the QR code on the unit, the temperature sensor ID, and the smart plug ID. After that, you take the smart plug and insert it directly into a standard Schuko outlet and connect the unit to the outlet. Then, you should place the wireless temperature sensor inside the refrigeration unit, preferably near the thermostat. Finally, you take a picture of the placement of the temperature sensor inside the refrigeration unit.
That was helpful, but it seems that making the documentation takes a while.
Well, it's just really a matter of taking 7 pictures and putting the components in place.
I see what you mean.
Any employee can hold a smartphone and complete the information on the online interface.
Thank you for the info. I will discuss it with my technical team and get back to you soon.
You're welcome, Peter. Feel free to reach out if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.